Well, this is fun. Last October, November, we made Pushing the Line in Moab, Utah, and Ouray, Colorado for Discovery Plus. And there was 13 of us, and I have not seen the show yet. And so I'm excited to now sit down and watch it today as its first day that it's streaming. This is kind of an announcement video, kind of a reaction video. Obviously, I can't play the episode in or on my channel. And you can go to Discovery Plus. All the links will be in the description below. I don't charge patrons for an update video like this, only when I'm breaking stuff or doing really, really hard, expensive things. But I just want to let you know, we have a TV show now. And we'll find out what I think about it as soon as I'm done watching it. Okay, so it looks like they released episode 1 and 2. There is 6 in total. So let's see what it looks like, guys. Ah, this is sick! This content is intended for a mature audience. Warning, the following program features activities performed either by elite athletes or under the supervision of elite athletes. Is that what we are? Oh, maybe that's too much credit. Do not attempt to duplicate, recreate, or perform any of these activities. The graphics are pretty cool. On a line 1 inch wide. I might die today, and that's okay. Wow. Okay, so they're introducing me as the rigging nerd. They're not wrong. It's just really funny to see it. They just really ham us all up. It's really good how they kind of portray the sport. Of course, it's sensationalized a little bit. It's TV, but it's like we do that ourselves in social media. So let's see how bad I sound on TV. What?
Rigging is the process where you set up slack lines.
This is embarrassing. Legos for adults is what I said. All right. Okay, in case you don't know, Kim was there. Kim Weglin is who I married on the Space Net. In case you didn't know, Kim and I got divorced a year later. And she's on the show. And they really ham that up. So that's starting now. Oh God. Oh God. So you're doing these interviews when you're on TV, and it's sometimes they're wild, and you say a lot of things, and when it's weird to see it on TV. That's all I'm saying. Am I as red as I feel? I can't believe millions of people are gonna see this. Okay, so I'm pretty critical about how I sound on here, which I think is terrible. But speaking of sounding terrible, I think Andy and Spencer actually sound very clear in the way they speak, and they get like good sound bites out of them. Yeah, they're just naturally good with just being on camera. So 300 episodes into this channel, and I'm still struggling to speak in front of the camera. So, yeah, this is really, really interesting how they put together all the different pieces, because I remember every single one of these moments. That's pretty cool. So it's pretty cool I got to explain how the anchor works, just so I think they represented well, like, we're taking the time to properly rig this stuff. So I actually really appreciate that part about it. But, yeah. This is cool. I don't actually ever really watch TV. I binge watch YouTube, and I'm just on the internet all the time. So it's kind of neat to see how TV is edited, for one. So I'm getting like ideas on how to tell a story. And just the complexity of having 13 characters that they have to introduce quickly and keep an audience's attention. So yeah, it's kind of fun. Okay, so it just finished. It's pretty good. So they're introducing all of us in the first half, and then our first project. Oh. Hold on. And our first project is the feature of the first episode there. So I'm assuming the second episode is just more of us at the Fruit Bowl. We were there for a large portion of the trip. And then we do stuff in Ouray as well, not just Moab, Utah. So I'm sorry I can't show you the video. It would be fun to actually give a play-by-play, but I don't think I can do that yet. But if you guys have questions, if you've never seen highlining and you found this video because of Pushing the Line, then put the comments below on what kind of questions you have. Maybe we'll just answer general questions like a general audience would have that has never seen highlining. And thank you to my regular audience for putting up with some of these Pushing the Line episodes that I want to have out there in order to capture some of the people that may have never seen this before and are finding highlining for the first time, and maybe they want to try it on their own. That's what this channel's about, is helping people who have never highlined before learn how to do it. We have highline rigging, because apparently I'm the rigging nerd. Highline rigging is the highline playlist. And then highlining 101, if you go to, let's say, a highline festival, which you can find on our homepage under the community section. And there's festivals all over. And if you get on a highline that's already rigged, highlining 101 will teach you how to do that. So overall, even with the vulnerable part of my life being exposed on national TV, I think it was displayed super good enough. I think relationships are hard, and it's scary to let the whole world, feels like, see yours. A little bit more behind the scenes on us was, it was good until it wasn't, and we ended it before it got toxic. And so we could have tried to drag it out another 6 months or even a year, but it wasn't right. And after 2 years of not really being around each other and doing this show is kind of confirmed that. So it was nice that we didn't stay together, since I don't feel like that would have been the right decision. But I was happy that she got to be a part of the show, because this is what we did when we were together, was Slack Life. Put in the comments below what you have questions about, what you want me to talk about, things I can share. Maybe we'll break test a few of the things that are in the video. Yeah, we'll see what kind of stuff. I'll probably put out one Pushing the Line episode a week on this channel, and then we'll go from there. Maybe there'll be a season 2. That'd be pretty cool. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you smash that like button and go check it out. All the links are in the description below to where you can watch Pushing the Line on Discovery Plus. Cheers.